Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to redeem card in Raid Shadow Legends game. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure to open up your game and play till the end of the tutorial if you are playing the game for the first time. Once you are done ending your tutorial, go and tap on the three lines appearing on the left hand side corner. In the menu, tap on promo code. Now, enter the promo code available to you in the text box. After you are done, tap on confirm in order to claim your reward. That is how you can easily redeem card in Raid Shadow Legends game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.